Welcome to Faberdashery. Today I'm sharing with you my basic crochet tips. How to hold the crochet hook, how to do chain stitch, and I'll show you how to join this chain stitch with slip stitch. So let's get started. Let's have a closer look how to hold your crochet hook. There is two ways to hold your crochet hook. First one is a knife hold, when you're holding like this. The second option is called pencil hold. It's when you hold it like a pencil. This is how I grew up holding my crochet hook. So today's demonstration, I'll show you how to do the stitches holding your crochet hook as a pencil. I'll be using this Prem ergonomic crochet hook in size 5. This is perfect complement to my chunky yarn. You hold your yarn end and you place it over your fingers. You flip your first finger over, bring that over, and you pinch it with your thumb. That creates a big loop around your first finger. So we are now taking our crochet hook and putting it through the big loop that we just created, and we twist the crochet hook around like this. This has created a loop around your crochet hook. You twist your crochet hook and put the yarn over, and you help with your thumb to hold that just so it helps it, and you pull the yarn through. Let's do second chain stitch. All you do, you keep holding the yarn like so, and you put your yarn over, pinch with your thumb, and you pull it through. You've made second chain stitch. I wouldn't worry too much of the tension of the stitches being different at the practice stage. You just need to practice a lot of chain stitches to get it constant. Let's do it again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So your arms are doing really minimum movement here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Look closer how the chain stitch is created. So it's like letter V. So the top part is called top loop, the bottom is called bottom loop, and if we turn it around you can find another loop behind it that is called back loop. In some projects you're asked to crochet into your back loops, so that is what you would be then picking up rather than one of the top loops. Whenever you lose your crochet hook from your loop, the main thing to remember is the running yarn needs to run on the top, as you see. So I've lost my crochet hook and I want to put it back. Make sure you put it back in the right way. You check where the running yarn is, and it's on the top, so I just push it through and you do it like so. that you've made your chain stitch and now you want to connect it, all you have to do is twist to the start of the project and connect the hook into the first lower loop. I always like to use the loose yarn as well to tuck it in so it's nicely secured. Because you put your yarn over and you just pull it through both stitches. Usually first thing you need to do is secure it with another chain stitch, so yarn over and pull through. So we've got a nice little loop here now. But this is it for this time. I would like to know, what is the first project you're gonna make from these skills? Look out for my next video where I'll be covering other basic crochet techniques. Why don't you give my video a thumbs up? I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.